Diba guys, nandito tayo sa ating account. So, pindutin natin yung tatlong linya sa taas. Tapos, settings. Nakita nyo yung settings, pindutin. And then, page settings. Pindutin yung page settings guys. Ayan. Tapos, scroll up lang. Ayan. Scroll up lang. Tapos, ito guys, access and control. Nakita nyo ba yung access and control? Pindutin. So, ayan na guys, access and control. So, deactivation and deletion. So, pindutin natin yan. Tapos, ito, delete page. Kasi, magdi-delete tayo ng ating account. Ayan. Ito, delete page. And then, tap continue. Tapos, continue na din yan guys. Ayan, before you we may be able to help. So, ayan, continue na yan. Tapos, ayan na, scroll up. Scroll up guys. Ayan. Then, continue ulit. Pindutin yung continue. So, ayan guys, i-type mo lang yung password mo sa account mo. Tapos, pagkatapos mong i-type, ayan na guys, tapos na yung, na-delete na yung account mo. So, ganyan lang guys.